Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Alex, and in today's video we are going to be installing my new registration LED lights. So I've already got some LED bulbs in there. They're not bulbs, they're festoon bulbs, and they work for a few months and then suddenly stop working. So what I decided to do is, instead of getting just the bulbs itself, I thought I'd just get the whole adapter kit. So what it comes with is the two light adapters, so I'll take them out, see what they look like. And basically what you do is you get rid of your old housing and then you install the full housing, and I think there's 12 small LEDs in there, and it should give a more brighter kind of look. And the way they work is basically you've got your connectors, so that goes into this slot here, and then this goes into there, and then that will go into your original housing, I think. So that's what I'm going to do, and what I'll do is I'll show you some before and after, so what my LED festoon bulbs look like at the moment, and then I'll install these and show you how that looks. Hopefully I don't get any error messages, and hopefully they last quite long, because sometimes you get some cheap ones and they stop working, so hopefully they don't do that. So what we'll do, install it in the car and show you what it looks like. Right, before I go to the car, I might as well get everything connected up. So you've got your adapter, you've got your wire, and you've got your decoder. So this will go into here, and it can only go one way, which is this way. And now the annoying thing with this one is it doesn't tell you which way around this cable goes. You can go in that way or you can go in that way, and it's not very useful. So what I need to do is try it one way in the car, test it, see if it works. If it doesn't, then just turn it around. So that's what I'm going to do, but at the moment I'm just going to install that this way, and it kind of fits in, but I'll show you, take it out, and it also goes in this way. I think it's this way, but I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do, just test it out in the car and see how it goes. Right, so I'm back at the car. The car's absolutely filthy, but it's not a problem. So what I need to do is get rid of that screw there, and there's already one missing here, and do the same on that one. So the screw's off, and then what I do to pop it out is there's this little tab here. So I get a flat head screwdriver and just pry it open like that. And then what I want to show you is the old LED lights I had. So those worked for like 4 to 5 months, and then they started causing problems. So I'm going to go ahead and change the whole housing now. Right, so take the housing off. All you need to do is literally, there's little, as you can see, there's a little tab there, which will be over here, and you just kind of like push it through and wiggle it around, and then it'll just come out. And then just take this out. There's a little tab at the top, as you can see here. Just push down on that, and then it should pop out. I'm going to do that off camera because it's a little bit fiddly with one hand, so I can go ahead and do that. So it's off now. So what I'm going to do is replace it with this one, and it's literally the same thing. Because I took it off this side, it's going to go in that way, and that plugs in to this one over here, and should be a straight fit. It should clip into place. I'm going to do it off camera again because it's a little bit difficult doing it with one hand. So that's all clipped in now in place. What I'm going to do is now turn on the ignition and then turn on the side lights. And then there you go. I made a mistake. You don't need to turn on the ignition, just turn on the lights. But yeah, there you go. It's all working fine. You can see how powerful it is. You can see this one compared to my other one. There's a massive difference. So I'm going to come back at night time and then check the difference. And all you do, you just kind of like shovel this back again, and just make sure it's fully secure, and just pop it in like so. It goes in this way, and that's it really, and clips into place. And there you go. You can see the difference already in the morning. You can see it's already lighting up. Right, so I've done the other side as well, so that's in. And what I want to show you as well, there's no errors on the dash, which is a great thing. No errors or anything like that. So yes, there you go. Very easy to do. Took me about a couple of minutes, not even that, but it took me a bit longer because doing it one hand with the camera. But yeah, definitely looks better. Hopefully at night time we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's the normal LEDs, and as you can see, it's still pretty bright, but like I said, it starts to flicker and also it turns off after like 5 minutes of driving, so hopefully the new LEDs sorts it out. Right, so that's what it looks like with the new LEDs. It doesn't have that bluish tint like you see on other cars. It's not overly bright. You might look at it on the camera, but in real life it's like a decent tint. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.